We have an ongoing maintenance program that where we identify poles that need attention, and that could be upgrades or replacement. And that's something that our crews, I would say that's 90% of our work. And we'll identify the poles that need attention, and we'll schedule our crews to either upgrade them, change out equipment, cross arms, rusted bolts, or damaged insulators. But majority of our jobs is we replace the poles entirely. It happens year-round, but we step it up during the months between June and November. I mean, in preparation for upcoming storms if they should arise. COVID is interesting. It's been a challenge for us, but the crew's been very flexible. They understand that we're essential workers and we need to be here. So everybody's been doing their part to get through this.